Hello. Today, Miss Nosy and I have some Happy Mail. We have our order from the Polka Dot Planner, and then I have an order from Moji Moi. I'm not exactly sure how to say it, but she had a special where you got, she's just kind of starting her shop, so it was, you got 9 free sheets of stickers, I think. We'll have to count them. I think it was 9. But it was just shipping, and the shipping was $1.99 to try it out because she's wanting more people to know about her. So let's go ahead and start with the package from the Polka Dot Planner. She is in the Epic Planner sale coming up this weekend. So we'll want to, she will be offering, I think 30 or 40% off. I'll have to double check and get everything listed, so make sure you're watching for that sale. If you can't wait and you want to place your order now, you can always use my code, which is Vanessa20 to save 20%. Alrighty. I love the polka dot planner sticker, that little logo sticker. That is gorgeous. I like that a lot. Alright, so let's take a look at my Happy Mail. And I'll put the list out here so I can read the names of the kits because I'm bad about remembering names. Also, she included a free Today bookmark with donuts on it. How cute is that? Love it! And then these were the reader planner stickers. These are like some deco stickers. I really like deco stickers, so I always order a lot, and I love the kitty cat on them. Kind of looks like my Luna, but my Luna is a Siamese, so her face has got more black in it. But I spend a lot of lazy days reading because I enjoy reading. And then this is the vintage planner stickers. It's got the coffee please. It's how my day starts. Really busy, cameras, and florals. Love florals. And then kitty stickers. I had to have these. It's called Here Kitty. It's got little kitties playing and sleeping and getting in the box and eating a little piece of fish. Adorable. And then I got me some coffee stickers. I don't drink a lot of Starbucks coffee. I like some of their stuff, but I do like the stickers. So I got those. And then I always order her girl stickers because I always use a ton of them. And it looks like it's got the shower girl, the grocery girl, the sweeping girl, laundry, eating takeout, feeding the cats, feeding the dogs. I like to use these to mark my chores because, come on, everyday chores can be boring. This makes it a little bit more fun. And then I got the girly quote stickers. This is Life Begins at the end of your comfort zone, me time, a sass a day, keeps the basic away, when life gives you lemons, make lemonades, coffee date, me time, shop till you drop, bra off, hair up, sweats on. Ooh, that sounds like me every day. As soon as I get home from work, out come the comfy clothes and out of jeans. Because I just don't think jeans are comfortable. I don't get how anybody can relax in jeans, but that's just me. I did order the weather stickers because I love the rainbow colors and like even the rainy days. She's got little cloud balloons. I thought these were gorgeous. So it can make even the rainy days and cloudy days a little bit more fun with all the rainbows. And then she has these awesome new script stickers. This is the bill ones. It's like pay bills, utilities, credit card, cable, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, utilities, fun money, dine out. I like that, you know, because this is nicer than my handwriting. Sometimes I want it to look a little neater. So I got those. And then here are more chore stickers. So it's unload dishwasher, wash sheets, make bed, because like I said, this handwriting is much neater than mine, and I like the font. It's a very cute font. And then I ordered the Heart Bubbles kit. So we'll get it all up here. Alright, so here is the Heart Bubble kit. So here's the full boxes. The washi strips, well, they're headers and patterned headers. I like that a lot. And it's got escaping the ordinary, slay the day, giving grace, important, move yourself, winning, happy meal, groceries, Netflix, Hulu, buy all the things. So it's got different ones up here, and I like that. Wing it, slay the day. I like the different options because the to-do, today's, I don't tend to use a whole lot. It's got your ombre checklist boxes, your headers, your trackers, some flags, your dates, and the sidebar tracker. I like those a lot. I do use 3, and this will be a nice meal tracker. It's got your half boxes, quarter boxes, and these little scallop boxes. The washi strips and some more scallop boxes and meal trackers. These are separate, but you could put them all close together to make, you know, one big one if you don't want to do it daily. And then it's got all the icons, the weekends, pay bills, paydays, balloons, prescription bottles, groceries, Netflix, computers, TVs, books. She's reformatted her kits in Happy Mail. It's a date. I like the new format of these. So that is my order from Polka Dot Planner. All the cute things. Be sure you check out her shop. And like I said, she is part of the Epic Planner sale happening. I believe it's, oh, let me grab a calendar here. So I think it would start the 15th through the 17th. Oh yeah, I wrote it down. Yeah, it's the 15th through the 18th. So it starts Thursday, February 15th, and runs through Sunday, February 18th. So make sure you check that out next weekend. I'll have the code posted on my Instagram, and that's Vanessa76, so make sure you check it out. And that's my order from her. And then my sample order from, it's M-O-J-I-M-O-I, Moji Moi. I think that's how you say it. So she's got a cute little sign on here. These stickers are for Vanessa. And these are hand-drawn sticker sets. It says thank you, a huge thank you for helping me grow. I hope you enjoy your stickers as much as I enjoyed making them. It took a little bit to get here. She is overseas. I forget where exactly, but I think they were here within a couple weeks. So it's not like it's an excruciating wait. So very cute. I like that a lot. Nice packaging. And they are kind of a shiny slick sticker. Okay, so it must have been 4 sheets of stickers that were free. So it is alright. And then they're half sheets, because I think they were half sheets, but it looks like she has sent 4 full sheets and then 1 half sheet. So that would equal 9 half sheets. So here's a gift for you. It's got, oh, look at the unicorns. Super cute. So that is MOJIMOI.com is where you order from her. Now I don't know if she still has the special going or not. And this looks like it's the mood mix. So thank God it's Friday, casual Friday, lazy day, just relax, hooray, happy. Very cute. Everything seems well cut. Nice bright colors. Like I said, these are just slightly shiny. And then this one is the inspirational mix. Nothing is impossible. You can do it. Oh, look at the girl riding the unicorn. Love this. So I'm glad I ordered these. Let it go. You can do it. Follow your heart. Very cute. The functional mix. So she's got laundry. Oops, a little nudie girl. Sometimes that's how it feels like when you finally get around to doing laundry. Like, if you don't do it, you're going to be walking around like that. So paydays, cell phones, vacuum cleaner, taking out the trash, eating some pizza, having a beer, candy, a sick day, reading on the couch, reading in bed. So very cute little stickers. And then the sport mix. So there's like hip-hop dancing, looks like she's lifting weights, workout, I love snow, she's snowboarding, yoga, pool time, working out, looks like she's jogging. I do mostly walking, but I still think that I could use these because I think they're cute, so I like them. So I don't necessarily do a workout, but I do get on my steps. So that is my Happy Mail today. I will post the links to both shops below. Make sure you check out my Instagram to get the sale codes for Thursday for the polka dot planner, because this is the Epic Planner sale. So I'll have everything posted below. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.